First grade today for your word sort, you will need a couple different things. You will obviously need your word sort sheet, you will need your glue stick, and you will need to have your scissors as well as a pencil so that you can put your name on it. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and make sure that your name is on your paper. And what we want to do is remember that these are our spelling words for the week, and they have end blends in them. ND says nd, ST says st, and NK says ink. So then you have words that have a vowel that ends with END, end, and AST, ast, and INK, ink. And so what I'd like you to do, please, is you're going to go ahead and you're going to cut out these words, okay? Please make sure that you're actually cutting it and gluing it, okay? It's important. And so then you're left with this. And what we want to do then is we want to look at our words, and I'm just going to cut out a couple of them for you to see. Then I'm going to leave you to it. Just going to do these first two that are, well, bottom two. Okay, we have two words here. First, we have to be able to read them, and we have to be able to identify them. So with whomever you have with you at home, I'd like you to please make sure that you read these words to an adult or to an older brother or sister when you're done, okay? So this word says end, and I can see that it ends with the END, and so I need to put send right here. I would actually like you to underline that ending part to know exactly where it goes. This other word that we have here is ink, wink, and that INK, especially that NK, is the end blend. And so where is that going to go? Well, it's going to go up in this column here, isn't it? Now, the one thing I am most fearful of always is that we are going to lose pieces. And so my suggestion is when you are absolutely confident that it's in the right spot, that you go ahead and stick some glue on it right away and get it glued down. Just put a little bit of glue on the back side. You do not need to put glue on the entire box, on this entire box. That's not necessary and will actually waste glue and make your paper really sticky. Okay, but please make sure that you're actually cutting it out. It's important for your fine motor skills to be able to do that. Your other word is wink. And so you'll take wink and you will glue that down in the box and have some space left over, okay? So you're going to go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of these words. I would say it would be a really good idea for you to underline the ending of the words so that you can see exactly where these words are going to go. I will read these to you one time, and then you will need to make sure that you read these to an adult tonight. End, lend, end, bend, ast, past, ink, link, ink, sink, ast, fast, ast, last. Okay, so make sure that those get cut out right on those dotted lines and glued down. You should find that each one of these spots is going to be covered. So all 9 spots will be covered. There's 3 that have the end ending, 3 that have the ast ending, and 3 that have ink. When you're done, please make sure that this has a chance to dry for a few minutes, especially if you got a little extra glue around there, and then make sure that this gets back into your Thursday folder.